learn to give, you will what? Receive. Maybe not in the manner in which you gave, maybe not in like kind. Someone will save energy for you because you saved energy for them. But in some mysterious ways, it always comes back to us. If you give, you will receive. In fact, here's...
Fox trying to sit right. Good morning, guys. You don't know it's your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, I want the them. Yo, I have to do that again. I want the them. Yes, yes. So guys, on the agenda today, school. I'm going in at 9, not leaving until 6. It's gonna be a long day. Yeah, guys. So that's what that is what's on the agenda today. School all day today. Today's Saturday, February 3rd. Oh, that don't make so disgusting. Today's January 3rd. And not January, February 3rd. About my 3rd week of school. So school really begin in the 3rd week at my university. That's what I stay. I know them like my handbag. One question I want to ask you guys. Give me a minute. So, yes, now guys, I was asking, do you guys sit down to really think about the why, your why? Why is it that you do the things you do, University of the Technology? Why is it that you do the things you do? It's very important to know your why. My why, well, my why changed now. I had a different why last year, like this time, like why I do the things that I do. And my why totally changed, and it totally changed me, totally changed my mindset. Very important to know your why, because that is what will keep you fueled to do things that you don't want to do. Good morning. Law teacher there already? Up there? Okay, Joe. And there we have a exam this morning. So I'm so early. Now I'm going to class now and thing. I don't know if we'll reach. That's Ocean. But yeah, talk to you guys later on today. Fairview.
Hi guys, so it is lunchtime. Ocean in the building. So not lunchtime, we have to take a break and get something to eat. Go home. We'll get something to eat. Potentially unhealthy, but I'm hungry man when I eat from on it. Right across the road. And see. Bap. Now earlier I was talking to Skylife about the importance of having a why, the reason why you do stuff. Because if you don't have a reason why you do stuff, when you don't feel like do it, you just not gonna do it. You have a why you do it, you go. Alright. So get a why. Dating. So I'll check in with you guys.
And also how?
Yes, how you gonna do it, yeah. That comes along with the breakdown of everything. Once you have a why, then you articulate how you're gonna get it done. The work where you have to put in, the person you need to become, and a bag of things. I'm up on the road now still, so I'll talk to you guys later on today.
Bye.
Yes, guys. Back at it again.
1 hour to get food. 1 hour and people hungry.
Can't tell the struggles. But I got fish, rice and peas and festival, vegetable. We get sorrel. I have water upstairs so that we're gonna eat, we'll consume now. Hi.
Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah, food takes so long to prepare. I don't even know what they're doing in the shop.
Then go catch your fish. Then catch the fish.
Scale the fish. Fry fish. Cook down the fish. Take a very long time, man, but devoid. Ain't that? We are going to eat now. A class to come out of come buy food and things. I don't want to know. So guys, it's after 6. We are there? She'll come with you? It's after 6.
Hello.
We're so cold.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, that Mr. Love? Hi. It's after 6. And yeah, it's after 6 and we're about to go home. I have to put on jacket in her class. I'm cold. Auntie. She come to school, you sure? Our IT class she did out. Yeah. So, I have my jacket because man's not hot fam. That lock. You sure she's not going to see her? I know she that. Yeah, so. Oh, she never came out of Fairview? Man got to Fairview. I'm going to try to go to Fairview because I have a facial appointment. I take care of my skin and bathings. So this is where I basically end this vlog. It was a long day. I'm gonna take off my jacket and stuff. I have as I said, I'm gonna start out the facial appointment. I really don't want to miss it because I'm really trying to take care of my skin, because sometimes I break out really bad and it affect me. So that's what I'm doing now. So guys, I'm at Fairview now. I'm heading to the studio. I'm a bit late because it's like 6:30. They close at 7, but hopefully nobody is there and I can deal with my stuff because I don't have any other time other from today. So hopefully they're there. They're the ones that have been doing my facials for the last maybe 3 months. I've been doing consistent facials to try and cleanse and detox my skin because I've been breaking out so bad, but it kind of calmed down now. Hopefully my spots and too will be calmed as well. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm through. Look so close up. So guys, I didn't get to do my facial, but I'm gonna come back on Tuesday. I've always wanted one of this teddy bear person. This teddy bear we need. I know one here. Big one. I always wanted a huge teddy bear. I think one is nice too. I always wanted a huge one, so get me a teddy bear. Yeah, so I didn't get to finish my thingy. I didn't get to do it today, but I'm gonna come back on Tuesday. I really want to look on some candles for the mansion. I'm into candles and things there. Whatever. I'm gonna look for one glass of my life in my room. If you watch my, I'm not sure if it's a previous vlog, but I see some glass things down there that I really like. I wanna look if they still have it in stock and stuff. But yeah, my skin has been improving, but I'm still working at it. So hopefully I'll see more improvements. You understand? See something in the mirror. I'm showing the other day. It's gold. I think I'm gonna get them, but I think I'm gonna get 2 sets. You guys only have 1 set of gold?
Oh yeah.
Lord Jesus, we can't let it dead. I really like the gold thingy. I'm gonna have to. How much is it? What's the cost?
$7.99.
I'm gonna have to take it right now. It's a good thing to come in here, people, because see, they almost sell out. They just have 1. We really don't want the silver. Something there behind the glass for me to hook it on the wall.
Yes.
I really have to go take it. Now go drop. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. I have to go hold this. Oh, I can't hold it. She said I can't hold it, so I get certified. Thank you. It's a good thing someone come in here. So you guys have glass with the with gold frame? Glass.
The full size mirror. Gold frame.
Like this man with the design funny.
No. It only comes in 1 color.
Which color is this?
This one silver.
No. There are the 3 glasses. Her face is in the glass. But 3 of them, one if I put on my wall for accent pieces. So it's a good thing someone coming here. Thank you, your darling. Cause it looked like it was gonna be sold out. So I'm gonna go up to the cashier and pay and stuff. later. You know that this is where I end this vlog. You know, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, tell a friend, show the love, share it on Twitter, Instagram, snap me on your Snapchat and send it, come give me and a bag of things. I'm not on Facebook, share it on your Facebook page, make your friend them see it and tell them to subscribe. You know, so that was my day of school. I really hope you enjoyed the video. You know, skylife to the world. What a day.